Hi guys, it's Angie from Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm making a peace sign on a shirt. I've washed my shirt, dried it, soaked it in soda ash, wrung it out by hand, and we're ready to go. I'm finding the middle of the front of the shirt, and I'm just going to work with the front of the shirt. So for this shirt, I'm going to clean up a bunch of Dharma colors that I already have mixed up. I'm going to use Mermaid blue in the middle, deep space for the peace sign. I'm going to use some lemon yellow beside it, and then just a whole bunch of different greens that I have mixed up. One of them is forest green, electric green, sea glass, just a variety of greens that I have mixed up. Before I actually started to dye this shirt, I came back and I put a little bit of sinew over the top of the kite string right around the peace sign so that I could get those white lines in there. Okay, so here's our finished shirt. Thank you for watching.